In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly erase the background. I have a more detailed version of this on my website, but this is for once you get the hang of it, just to refresh your memory. First thing you need to do is remove the lock, and I'm going to add a white background behind my work. So layer next to the trash can, drag it down. I'm going to get my bucket tool behind gradient, and I'm going to fill that with white. So there I've got a white background. Need to select layer 0 with my person on it, and then I need to go into select and mask, clicking on quick selection. I now need to see my person, so I'm going to go to marching ants, get my quick selection tool, increase the size with the bracket tools, and quickly select my person. Okay, get the minus tool, get rid of some of those other areas that I don't want. I'll pick up the rest of the mat later. Cool, pretty good. Now I'm going to get my refine edge tool. I'm going to go back to onion skin so I can see what it's going to look like on my background, which is white. I'm then going to quickly paint this area in. I want to subtract that area, so I'm going to get minus, get rid of that. Okay, I'm going to use my refine edge tool, and using a blood brush, I'm going to brush over and bring back that hair from the mat. I'm going to go all around her skirt, around her hair, around her bow, really quickly going along. Bring back the hair from the mat on that side, and I'm now going to tick decontaminate colours and hope for the best. Okay, there's just a few touch-ups. So, because I can't really see the background very well, I'm just going to quickly go to, let's go to on black, just so I can see those sections. And then I'm going to get the freehand tool. Actually, I might start with minus. See if I can minus those areas first. Yep, so that's working pretty good. Just going to get rid of some of those areas there, some of the fuzzy bits. The more similar the background is to the original background, the more accurate it's going to look. So try and stick to that. Okie dokie. If this tool doesn't work, if the refine edge doesn't work, then you can always use the free brush tool, which will literally just draw wherever you want it. Just be careful if you've got a fuzzy brush like I just did, it just went over a hairline, so I'm going to put that back in. I might even have to use the brush again. Yep, I'm going to use the brush because I don't want that to be see-through at all, so I'm just going to brush over that, make sure that's in. Got some little bits of wispy hair there, which is good. Makes it look realistic. Awesome. The more simple your background is, the easier it is to delete. Make sure you've got new layer with mask, click OK, and you're done. You could then get a picture from the internet, you can change the colour there. I can go to gradient, and I can add a gradient behind. Whatever I put behind underneath layer 0 will be my background. White to black. And there's my tutorial on how to erase a background in Speed Force. Thank you.